Miami-Dade is getting more attention for becoming the so-called epicenter of the virus, with nearly 1 in 3 tests still coming back positive.
The crisis brought Florida Governor Ron DeSantis back here for a second straight day, but not without controversy. CBS 4's Ty Russell explains.
In Miami-Dade, one of the reasons you have more spread is because you have way more family members that live in the same area.
That's Florida Governor Ron DeSantis meeting with mayors in Miami-Dade Tuesday.
We feel it's important to take a stand now and to really turn this thing around, and it just requires action and action now.
There wasn't a decision made at this roundtable, but leaders expressed their concerns during this pandemic and what has to change.
There's sort of a barometer of 1 to 4 weeks where we're going to have to take some dramatic steps if we don't change the trajectory.
And we weren't closed long enough to actually create good habits. And so we don't have the habits now of wanting to wear a mask. It should be second nature.
On Miami-Dade's daily dashboard Tuesday, it shows the latest daily positivity rate at 30.5%, well above the goal of below 10%. Numbers show more than 2,000 people are in the hospital. And when the shutdown happened, Miami-Dade's mayor says there were between 600 to 800 patients. He also says rollbacks are not off the table, but so far current restrictions are staying in place.
That doesn't mean that we're going back to that, but it does mean that we need to start seeing some of the results, better results from the steps that we've already taken. We need to be more responsible.
Miami Beach Mayor Dan Gelber believes leaders must be on the same page with the same message.
The Vice President talked about, we're in a really good place, or in a good place in Florida. And when people hear that, I think people will follow a path of least resistance. Some people will.
Even though Hialeah ranks the second highest city for cases in Miami-Dade, the city's mayor was not invited and was turned away when he tried to get in.
It's a lack of respect for the citizens of Hialeah. Is he such a childish person that is letting his feelings get in the way? I came here uninvited to make sure that I was there.
The mayor also placed blame on County Mayor Jimenez for not stepping up. The governor says he didn't make the list, but is open to a meeting.
I'm happy to meet with them. Hialeah is a great town. I've got a lot of great friends there, and I know they've had a tough go at, with some of this outbreak.
The governor's office says the mayor of Hialeah declined a meeting with Governor DeSantis following Tuesday's roundtable. Now, a spokesperson for the governor also says every mayor in Miami-Dade County could not be invited to that roundtable. In the city of Miami, I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News Tonight.